Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to understand what Herzberg's theory has to say about employee motivation or motivation of people, especially in the workplace. Okay, so Herzberg, he is an American psychologist and he has proposed this two-factor theory. This is Herzberg's theory is famously also called as two factors theory, where he has proposed two dimensions of employee satisfaction. Okay, basically the hygiene factors and the motivators. Okay, so these two are the different sets of factors that can determine the employee's level of motivation. Let us try to understand what they are. Coming to the hygiene factors, they are called dissatisfiers. Okay, hygiene factors are also called dissatisfiers and motivators are the satisfiers. Here, basically, if you understand the difference between the two, between hygiene factors and motivators is that, see, hygiene factors, like these are the different factors like the company policies, supervision, salary, interpersonal relations and working conditions. These are the set of hygiene factors. The point here is when these things are present, when they are present in the workplace, then they may not add to the employee's motivation. They may not motivate the employee to perform better. But if these factors, if these hygiene factors are absent, then the absence of those hygiene factors will definitely demotivate the employees and make them dissatisfied. That is the reason why they are called dissatisfiers. Got my point? See, when the hygiene factors like all this, when these hygiene factors are present, then they are not motivating your employees. They are not adding any extra level of motivation to your employees. But at the same time, when these hygiene factors are absent, then it will demotivate the employee, it will make them dissatisfied. On the other hand, motivators like work, achievement, recognition, responsibility, advancement, these are the factors which really are the motivating factors, which are the satisfiers. When these factors are present in your organization, okay, then these factors will definitely boost the employee satisfaction and motivation levels. Okay, so basically that is the difference between hygiene factors and motivators. Okay, see, coming to hygiene factors, like when company policies, when the company policies are very clearly mentioned, that is fine. When the employees have any doubts about the company policy regarding any job related aspects, then they have to have a proper access to the company policies. Okay, so when they are the company makes the policies available to the employees, then fine, okay, they are okay with it. But if the company policies are not made clear and not made available to the employees as and when they require them, that non-availability will definitely dissatisfy the employees. Okay. Similarly, supervision, the kind of supervision, the kind of managers they have over them as superiors and the nature of the manager or the leader, okay, that definitely if the supervision is good enough, then it's okay. But if the supervision is not good enough, if the employees find any flaws or any bias or favoritism, things like that among the supervisors or the managers, then that will definitely demotivate the employees, and that kind of bad supervision will demotivate the employees and dissatisfy them. But if the supervision is good, it's okay. It is like the normal thing we can expect from the organization. This is how the employees will think. Okay, and salary. Herzberg has also placed salary in hygiene factors. Like according to this theory, salary is like what if I work, I get paid. Okay, but if I feel I am not duly paid, or if I feel I am being biased or underpaid, then I feel that dissatisfaction. Okay, so that is the nature of hygiene factors. When the salary is being paid, and if the employees find it just, equitable, then they are okay with it. But if they feel the salaries are not being paid according to the work, or if the company has some bias towards them, then that kind of feeling, that kind of perception will demotivate the employees and make them totally dissatisfied. Okay. Similarly, interpersonal relations. Interpersonal relations, especially at the workplace. If they have these interpersonal relations with the co-workers, with the colleagues, okay, if they have them, they feel good. But if they do not have proper workplace relationships, they will feel totally isolated and demotivated. Okay, so that is the reason why companies also should encourage people to have proper and healthy and appropriate workplace relationships. Okay, the presence of workplace relationships may not motivate the employees, but the absence of workplace relationships definitely will demotivate them. Okay, next is working conditions, the nature of working conditions, like the physical environment of the company or of the workplace. Okay, like the water facilities, the lighting facilities, the ventilation facilities, the washroom facilities, okay, the kind of table and desk and the office setup, all these things. If they are good enough, it's okay. It is like the minimum requirement. But if they are bad, then that kind of bad working conditions will definitely demotivate the employees. Okay, so that is about hygiene factors. Like if they are present, like once again I am repeating it, when the hygiene factors are present, they may not add to the motivation levels of the employees. They may not boost up the satisfaction level of the employees. But when the hygiene factors are absent, that will demotivate the employees. Okay, that is the tricky situation when it comes to hygiene factors. Okay, coming to motivators or satisfiers, what really motivates the employees in the workplace? The work itself. If the work itself is challenging, okay, if the work itself is dynamic, and if the employee has been given a chance to prove his worth and skill, then that work itself is a motivating factor for the employees. So the work should not be very monotonous, very boring kind of stuff. The employees should feel motivated, should feel excited to work. That is how such kind of work will definitely itself act as a motivator. Okay, next is achievement, a chance to achieve something in the profession, in the job. Okay, a chance to maybe achieve the targets, right? Get that achievement, success, that acts as a motivating factor according to Herzberg. Okay, and recognition, proper recognition for the efforts that the employees put up. Okay, identity in the form of, say, promotion or an incentive or an appreciation or an award or a reward, or appreciating the employee in front of everybody publicly. Okay, any sort of recognition from the job, that is a motivating factor for the employees. So that is the reason why managers or companies, they have to take care of this particular issue. They have to make sure that employees, when they achieve something, should be duly recognized. Okay, that satisfies their ego, and that really acts as a motivating factor to give better performance. Okay, next is responsibility. Responsibility, like you are responsible for something, you have some responsibility with authority, with decision making power, then such kind of an environment definitely motivates. Such kind of workplace environment will definitely motivate the employees. That responsibility, like I am the one who is responsible for the outcome, then I feel motivated to work. I feel motivated to give my best to the job, because I am responsible for the result and I want the results to be good. Okay, so that responsibility in the job definitely motivates the employees to better perform. Okay, and advancement in terms of career growth, career development. Okay, a chance to go to better positions, higher positions, to achieve more in career. That chance of advancement in career definitely is a motivating factor for employees. Okay, so these are the different sets of hygiene and motivating factors according to Herzberg's theory, especially in workplace setting. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.